Welcome to Compare to Win. The best wheeled bags is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any woman on the go, whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy student, or simply someone who needs to carry a lot of items comfortably. These bags are designed to alleviate the strain of heavy loads, offering a stylish and practical solution to transport your belongings with ease, making them an indispensable part of modern life for those who value both fashion and functionality. Number 5. Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. Introducing the Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. It's designed for convenience and durability. With dimensions of 12.5 by 10 by 19.5 inches including wheels, it offers ample space for your belongings. It features double wheels for enhanced stability and smooth rolling, making it easy to transport. Keep your essentials organized with a convenient front pocket featuring an organizer and side mesh pockets. The padded shoulder straps ensure comfortable carrying, whether you're rolling it or wearing it. This backpack comes in a stylish black dot pattern, perfect for any occasion. What we like? This backpack offers double wheels for stability and padded shoulder straps for comfort. Its front organizer keeps essentials handy. If you need a versatile bag for daily commutes or short trips with easy access to your belongings, this is a great choice. What people say? This bag is very spacious and can hold a lot of items. The wheels are smooth and make it easy to roll the bag around. The design is stylish and modern, perfect for any occasion. Number 4. KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. Introducing the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag, a premium briefcase designed for your modern life. It's crafted from durable, high-quality nylon fabric for long-lasting use. This bag offers roomy compartments to keep your essentials organized. It features a padded section for your laptop, ensuring it's protected from bumps and shocks. Keep everything in its place with dedicated spaces for your laptop, tablet, files, and personal items. Side pockets are perfect for your water bottle or umbrella, while RFID pockets protect your sensitive information. Designed for the frequent traveler, it easily fits into most airline overhead compartments. Enjoy a more comfortable journey with its travel-friendly dimensions. Navigate with ease thanks to the push-button telescoping handle and smooth, silent wheels. The handle conveniently retracts when not in use, maintaining a sleek profile. Simplify your business trips with a well-designed luggage strap. It securely attaches to your suitcase trolley, making your travel experience more convenient and efficient. What we like? This bag provides excellent protection for your electronics with RFID blocking pockets and a padded laptop sleeve. It's designed to be travel-friendly and fits most airline overhead bins. If you're a frequent business traveler who needs to keep your sensitive information secure and your laptop safe, this is the bag for you. What people say? The wheels are smooth and quiet, making it easy to roll through airports and train stations. The bag is surprisingly spacious, with multiple compartments to keep everything organized. The telescoping handle is sturdy and adjustable, fitting people of different heights comfortably. Number 3. BAGSMART Rolling Laptop Bag for Women. Introducing the ultimate mobile office solution. This versatile bag is perfect for both business and personal travel, keeping your essentials organized and protected. It features a dedicated padded compartment for laptops up to 17.3 inches, plus ample space for clothes, books, and daily necessities for overnight trips. The main compartment can even hold 2 to 3 days of laundry. Navigate your journey with ease. Superior handles and durable rubber pulleys ensure smooth movement, while the concealable telescoping handle glides effortlessly. A trolley strap secures it to your luggage for added convenience. Your devices are safe with a padded compartment and lockable zippers for theft protection. The water-resistant and wear-resistant exterior guards against damage and moisture. The large opening provides quick access to your items. Front pockets keep essentials like pens and passports handy, while side pockets are perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. Comfortable leather handles make carrying a breeze. Whether it's a short commute, an overnight stay, or a business trip, this bag is your ideal companion. It makes a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking a practical and professional rolling work bag. What we like? This rolling laptop bag boasts a large capacity for overnight trips and features lockable zippers for added security. Its water-resistant material protects your belongings from the elements. If you're looking for a mobile office solution that can handle both work essentials and a few days' worth of clothing, this is an excellent option. What people say. The bag is surprisingly spacious, fitting all my essentials for a weekend trip with room to spare. The wheels glide smoothly over various surfaces, making it easy to maneuver through airports and city streets. The telescoping handle is sturdy and adjustable, providing a comfortable grip for people of different heights. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction Chelsea Underseater Luggage. Introducing the Kenneth Cole Reaction Chelsea Underseater. It's designed to make your travel experience both stylish and convenient. This underseater carry-on is perfectly sized to fit under the seats of most airlines, ensuring you have your essentials within reach. Its stylish chevron pattern exterior with gold zippers adds a touch of elegance. Plus, the premium 4-wheel spinners allow for effortless maneuvering. Inside, you'll find a spacious main compartment with organized pockets for your shoes and garment straps. It also features a convenient tablet pocket. The sturdy, retractable trolley handle extends for comfortable use. It's designed for a user-friendly experience every time you travel. For added convenience, it includes a rear trolley tunnel that slides over the handles of larger luggage, allowing for hands-free carrying. What we like. This underseater carry-on is designed to fit perfectly under most airline seats and features stylish chevron quilting. The 4-wheel spinners allow for effortless maneuvering. If you prioritize style and convenience for short flights and want to maximize your carry-on space, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The bag is very spacious and can hold a lot of items. The wheels are smooth and make it easy to roll the bag around. The design is stylish and looks great when carrying it. Number 1. TUMI Alpha Deluxe 4-wheeled laptop case brief. Introducing the TUMI Alpha Deluxe 4-wheeled laptop case brief. This versatile briefcase is designed for the modern professional on the go. Navigate through airports and city streets with ease thanks to its smooth rolling wheels. It offers unparalleled convenience for your travels. This case provides dedicated, secure storage for your laptop. Keep your essential tech protected and easily accessible wherever you go. Need more space? Its expandable design allows you to adjust the capacity as needed. Perfect for carrying extra documents or personal items. Whether for business trips or daily commutes, this travel briefcase is your ideal companion. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality. Crafted with TUMI's signature attention to detail and durable materials. Invest in a piece that combines sophisticated design with lasting performance. What we like. This wheeled laptop case offers an expandable design for increased capacity and is built with premium materials. It functions as a sophisticated travel briefcase. If you need a professional and adaptable solution for carrying your work essentials on business trips, this offers both style and functionality. What people say. The wheels are very smooth and quiet, making it easy to roll through airports. The bag has a lot of compartments, which helps keep everything organized. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.